Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my gardening videos. Today I'm going to show you how I put on my sweet corn ready to plant out. So this is just giving them a head start by repotting them. You don't have to do this process, but I prefer to do it this way. That way you get like 2 to 3 cobs per plant. So I hope you all going to follow along and watch what I'm doing. I know everybody does their one a different way, but this is how I plant on my thing. So I'm going to show you that process now. Right everybody, so I'm going to show you the process of what I'm going to be doing. In my tub I've got some compost. I'll just move it away so you can get a view. I can bring in the camera so you can see what's going on. I've just got some compost in there. And I've mixed in some farmyard manure in there just to condition it a bit. So I'm just going to mix this in. And into that I'm going to put some Epsom salt. That handful of Epsom salt, just crumble that in. Then I'm going to put in some fish blood and bone. So I'll put in about that much. Just going to mix that in now. So this is just giving my sweet corn a start. Right, so I've got my pots that I'm going to put them on in, and all I do is just get a pot and just fill it and just shake it and replace it like that. So if you think I'm doing anything wrong, just let me know in the comment section. I'm not a big gardener, I just plant a few things every year and see what comes on. So now we're coming up to the planting out time. So I've got all my plants are ready to go out. So got that many so far. So now this is where you're not going to need the gloves. Right, so I've got one of my sweet corn plants. And these are, as you can see, they're nicely rooted and got going. What I'm going to do now is try and separate them into like single plants. This is where you get this is a plot bit what I don't like doing much. You have to try and get them separate with the roots. So I've got one plant and I've got a little pointy thing. So what I'll do, I'll press it to the side. I hope you can see properly. If you want me to, and then I'll put them down in, then cover, press them down. So I'm going to put a little bit more dirt on the top. And that's one single plant. This is just to strengthen them off a bit. So yeah. Plant out sweet corn every year. If you can hear the noise in the background, that's because I live in a back to a school and all the kids are out playing. So you just give it a little bit of a thing just to firm down the dirt a bit, and then put a little bit more just to level it off. So that's how I do my plants. I hope you enjoying these gardening videos. So just firm it down. So usually when you plant the seeds, not all of them would grow, so bear that in mind. You just have to keep if you want to start them off, you can start them off like how I showed you how I do my pumpkin seeds, but you just put them in a bag until when you get them to sprout. And once they sprout, you can just transplant them. But like if you want to just do them, you can just put the seeds in there and then just separate them like this. That way you know what's grown and what's not. So like I was saying, sometimes a part corn you get 2 to 3 per plant. When you separate them, try and separate them so you get the root system on there, because that's what keeps the plant going. I know they're going to be tangled up together, but you can see you've got a nice root system on there. So this is my way of doing how I do my one. If you like what you've seen, please remember to watch my other gardening videos. If you've got a big root ball system, what you can do is just get your pot, take out most of the dirt. As you can see, like that one's got like a lot of root system on it. You just get that into the hole and then just top it up with the dirt. So these most probably be planted out in another couple of weeks or so, maybe sooner, depending on how the weather is. As you can see, we're having some nice weather at the moment, but the nights are still cold. So it's just like going to be like your cabbages and that, what you can plant out now. I haven't got the space to grow the cabbages to the size, but I've got a friend what's got a allotment, so hopefully we can get those planted over there. So that's some of the sweet corn. I've got quite a few to do. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. My gardening videos will be out every other week on a Wednesday, so you can see how my garden is progressing. I've planted my onions and my garlic and my potatoes already. I've got my other plants waiting to go out as soon as we get a change in the weather. So hopefully you'll see those videos. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell another friend. We don't only just do gardening videos, we also do the cooking videos, and maybe later on I'll be doing some other stuff what I hope you will enjoy. So please keep watching the channel, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can see when we do another video. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you all on the next one. Thank you.